We're here, 4 a.m. in the morning at Murphy Castle, where supposedly the ex-Prime Minister and his assistant, Sebastian, have been roaming around. They were murdered 20 years ago. We're going to try and find them. Let's go.
No Jordan today. Fuck, it's still me.
I'm not going in there.
Oh,
This door's shut. Let's go in here.
let's go. It's fucking dark, isn't it? It's so fucking dark. It's always fucking oh my god, do you hear that wind? Fucking hell. It's fucking dark in here. What is it?
Fucking dark.
Oh yeah, it's fucking dark, that's right. Shut the door, yeah, that's it. Fucking dark. Yeah, there's some beds. I'm gonna sit down.
What was that?
What do you mean? What was
What was that noise?
What was fucking oh my fucking god!
I'm on my own and I can't see anyone.